In continuation of the second session, third session. How many true breeding pea plant varieties did Mendel select? How many true breeding pea plant varieties? Mendel in fact selected the 7 traits like height, like color, of shape, cotyledon color, like this. In each one, true characters, contrasting characters. In height, tall, short, or dwarf. So therefore, total 14. It is not 7. The 7 is not there. Maybe to avoid the confusion, they have not given the 7 here. Match the following columns and select the correct option. This is the second one. In water hyacinth, water lily, pollination takes place by. These two are aquatic plants, no doubt. But the flowers are produced over the water, above the water. So therefore, pollination is not by water. Because in this case, the flowers are attractive. Insect pollination, sometimes wind pollination. The answer is 1. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on sugarcane crop increases the length of the stem, thus increasing the yield of sugarcane crop. We have auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, brassicoids. Particularly gibberellins, if sprayed on plants, they bring about the internodal elongation. So therefore, if gibberellins are sprayed on the sugarcane field, the cane height length increases. Answer 2. In light reaction, plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons. So we must be very careful. We must also remember this. Answer is PS22 cytochrome B6F complex. It is a confusing question. Which of the following is not an inhibitory substance governing the seed dormancy? The seeds after development, some seeds undergo dormancy, resting period. The plant hormones that induce the dormancy are abscisic acid, phenolic acid, para-ascorbic acid. Is not. Therefore, correct answer is gibberellic acid. Which of the following would help in prevention of diuresis? Excessive urination. Diuresis means excessive urination. More water reabsorption due to undersecretion of ADH. Reabsorption of sodium ions and water from renal tubules due to aldosterone. Then atrial natriuretic factor causes vasoconstriction, decrease in secretion of renin by Ig. Correct answer is 2. Reabsorption of sodium, water from renal tubules due to aldosterone. In relation to gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following statement is correct? Gross primary productivity is always less than net primary productivity. Here answer is, before going to the answers, gross productivity will be always more than net productivity. Gross productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Others are not. The second one is correct. Gross productivity, total productivity is always higher than others. Match the following columns and select the correct. Placenta, zona pellucida, bulbourethral, Leydig cells. Now, placenta, human chorionic gonadotropin, HSC, bulbourethral lubrication of penis, Leydig cells androgen, bulbourethral, zona pellucida, layer of ovum glands, layer of the ovum gland. 1, placenta, 2, zona pellucida, 3, bulbourethral lubrication, 4, Leydig cells androgen. Therefore, the fourth one is correct answer. Strobili or cones are found in botany question. Salvinia, Terris, Markensia, Equisita. Markensia is bryophyte, no cones, no strobili. Terris, Salvinia, they belong to Pteropsida. In Pteropsida members, there will be no cones. The answer is Equisitum. Some dividing cells exit cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage. This process occurs at the end of M phase. At the end of the M phase, karyokinesis, the two daughter cells will be formed. So there they have to decide according to the requirement of the, or whether to enter into another cycle or to go out. So this is the right phase. At the end of the M phase, they enter into vegetative and inactive stage. 1. Flippers of penguins and dolphins are examples of adaptive radiation, convergent evolution, industrial melanism, natural selection. Flippers of penguins. Penguins are birds, dolphins are mammals. So therefore, they are different places they are entering into the water. So they have developed the swimming organs. Convergent evolution. Migration from different habitats to the same habitat. If the distance between the two conservative base pairs is 3.4 nanometers and the total number of pairs of DNA helix is in typical mammalian cell is this much, then the length of DNA approximately 2.0 meters. QRS complex in standard ECG represents QRS complex depolarization of ventricles. 3. Match the following options and select the correct option. Neutrophils, lymphocytes. This eosinophils, release of granules, basophils, release of histamine, destructive enzymes, neutrophils, phagocytosis, lymphocytes, immune response. A4, B3, A4, where is 4? B, eosinophils, A4, 4 is here. B, basophils, 3, 75, 76, 1, 3, 4, neutrophils, phagocytosis engulfing lymphocytes 1. Therefore, the correct answer is 3, 4, 2, 1. Which of the following statements is correct? Correct. Adenine pairs with thymine through 2 bonds. Adenine pairs with thymine through 1 bond, hydrogen bond. Adenine pairs with thymine through 3 bonds. Adenine does not pair with thymine. So correct, ATGC, base pairing is ATGC. Between adenine and thymine, 2 hydrogen bonds, between guanine and cytosine, 3. Therefore, the correct answer is this 1. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA. A foreign DNA will be inserted into the vector. The number of copies will be produced. That depends upon the ORIC, origin of replication, or site. Then identify the basic amino acid from the following. Simplest amino acid. Simplest amino acid. Only one NH2, one OH group. That is lysine. 79 is lysine. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. Pancreas, diabetes mellitus. Adrenal gland, Graves' disease. Pituitary gland, insipidus. Adrenal gland, then thyroid gland, Addison's disease. Pituitary gland, diabetes mellitus. Thyroid gland, Addison's disease. Adrenal gland, Graves' disease. Pancreas, diabetes insipidus. This is correct answer. 80 is 3. Pituitary 3, thyroid 2, diabetes mellitus. B is this one 1. Adrenal gland 4 and pancreas is 2, diabetes mellitus. Pancreas, diabetes mellitus. pituitary gland, 1 is 3, diabetes insipidus. Thyroid gland, C is 4, Addison's disease. So such type of questions you have to remember. Remembrance is the only solution. Select the correct statement. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Glucagon is associated with hypoglycemia. Insulin acts on pancreatic cells. Insulin is associated with hypoglycemia. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Correct statement is this. 82. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in animals? Hemoglobin, blood, RBC, collagen, lectin, insulin. This is hormone, very minute quantities. This is also very small quantities. Hemoglobin present, but most abundant is collagen. Experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by, here you should read the questions very carefully. Experimental verification, not asking the proposal. Who proposed the chromosomal theory? Chromosomal theory was proposed by Sutton and Boveri, but experimental evidence was provided Morgan while working on Drosophila. Correct answer 4. Correct option. So here, floating ribs, the name itself indicates, do not connect with the sternum. Glenoid cavity, into the glenoid cavity, the head of the humerus fits in. Scapula is the part of the scapula. This one, acrimone, is this. The correct answer is A4, B3, acrimone clavicle, C1, second and seventh ribs, and glenoid cavity 2. The fourth is the correct answer. The number of substrate level phosphorylation in one turn of citric acid cycle is GDP to GTP. Therefore, only one. Second is answer. Dissolution of the synoptinemal complex occurs during diplotin, leptotin, zygotin, pakitin, diplotin. Here, first phase, differentiation, homologous pairing of homologous chromosomes, zygotin, crossing over, and synoptimal dissolution, diplotin. Third, bilaterally symmetrical and acyclomate animals are exemplified by a very simple question, platyhelminthes. The body of the ovule is fused with the funicle hilum or funiculus. 1. Globulate cells of alimentary canal are modified from columnar epithelial cells. 89. Snow binding of Antarctica region is due to B. Inflammation of cornea due to high doses of UVB radiation. UVB radiation. This because in the polar regions wherever the snow is there, the UV radiation will be more because the sunlight will be reflected. White snow reflects the solar sunlight. Therefore, UV radiation. This because of this UV radiation, inflammation of cornea. Thank you. This is the end.